Hey everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today we are going to make a paper plate and cardboard and paper towel roll marble run or ball run. Let's get started. I have hot glue, I have paper plates, I have some cardboard, I have a ball, and scissors. So I'm gonna get started. So I have some marbles too, and we're gonna get started. So first what I'm gonna do is I am going to glue I'm gonna glue this one to the board. Right in the middle, just like that. Okay, so there it is. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my paper plate and then go around. So I'm just going to cut down like this, and I'm going to go right around like this. Okay, and I'm gonna do I'm gonna do these two as this next one as well. Okay, I'm just gonna go around, and I'm cutting the kind of curved edge. And some paper plates have more of a curved edge. These are some kind of fancy paper plates, but they can just be cheap paper plates too, because you're gonna hot glue them on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start like this. I'm gonna just put it on here and glue it. So I've cut some notches out so that I can glue it right to the side of my my paper towel roll over here. So I've glued parts of the paper towel to the tunnel and cut it up, and then I have a piece of tubing, and it goes down in, and then I have a stopper to catch it. Okay, and let's do it. And there you are. I love it. It's so much fun to do a marble run. So I hope you try this out and do some tinkering of your own.